Dear student, in first video we study that is image formation by concave mirror and rules which are used to draw the image of object by using concave mirror. Now in this video, here we study image formation by convex mirror. Dear student, my request is that you can subscribe my YouTube channel, that is Science Vision with Bhandekar sir, to learn the whole syllabus of 10th class, that is physics, chemistry and biology of CBSE 9th and 10th class. Look here, now here we start image formation by convex mirror. Firstly, here we study that is rules used to draw the diagram of image formation by convex mirror. Image formation by convex mirror. Which rules can be used here? There is a rule number one. Which is the rule number one? Here we draw this diagram. In rule number one. Here convex mirror, and look here, that is center of curvature, and here pole of the mirror. Here center of curvature of convex mirror is to the right side of the mirror according to concept of mirror, and focus of convex mirror is also to the right side and behind the mirror. Look here, according to rule number one, here light ray parallel to principal axis, because object always placed to left side in front of the mirror. Light ray parallel to principal axis. Refracted ray appears to be directed from the focus. Refracted ray appears to directed towards the focus. Hence, you know that is a rule number one. Light ray parallel to principal axis, incidence ray parallel to principal axis, refracted ray directed towards the focus. Means in this way, when light ray parallel to principal axis, refracted ray appears to directed towards focus. That is rule number one. Incidence ray parallel to principal axis, refracted ray appears to directed towards the focus. That is rule number one. Then what is rule number two? Here convex mirror, here center of curvature, and look here focus, and here pole of the mirror. When light ray directed towards the focus, there is a incidence ray directed towards the focus, then refracted ray is parallel to principal axis. Dear student, look towards the direction of the ray. Here incidence ray directed towards the focus, then refracted ray parallel to principal axis. That is rule number second. Rule number second is exactly opposite than the rule number first. Means rule number second, when light ray directed towards focus, refracted ray parallel to principal axis, refracted ray parallel to principal axis, that is rule number second. Incidence ray or light ray directed towards focus, refracted ray parallel to principal axis, that is rule number second. Then rule number 3, here convex mirror, here center of curvature, here pole of the mirror, and here focus. Look here, dear student, when light ray directed towards the center of curvature, refracted ray trace the same path. Refracted ray also passes from center of curvature. Look towards the diagram. Means light ray directed towards the center of curvature, refracted ray trace the same path. Means look here, rule number 3, when light ray directed towards center of curvature, refracted ray trace same path, that is rule number 3. It is necessary to understand that all the rule. Then rule number 4, here convex mirror, here center of curvature, principal axis, here focus, and here pole of the mirror. If light ray directed towards the pole in this way, incidence ray directed towards the pole, refracted ray in this way comes return back towards the source. Here incidence ray makes angle with pole, that is angle of incidence, and refracted ray also makes the angle with pole, that is angle of refraction. And here both the rays, incidence rays and refracted ray, that obeys the laws of reflection. Hence you know here, means in this way, here that is when incidence ray or light ray directed towards pole, then reflected ray obeys laws of reflection. एक मिनट, here we use the term refracted, sorry, but here not a refracted, there is reflected ray. In each case there is reflected ray, not a reflected ray. Here look towards again. In first rule, light ray parallel to principal axis, reflected ray here directed towards the focus. Then rule number 2, light ray directed towards the focus, reflected ray parallel to principal axis. Rule number 3, light ray directed towards the center of curvature, reflected ray trace the same path. And rule number 4, when light ray directed towards the pole, reflected ray obeys the laws of reflection. It reflects to the direction of source. Means in this way these rules are used here, 4 rules which are used to draw the image diagram to form the image of object by using convex mirror.